Hey there everyone, today I'm bringing you some of the top selling coloring books for summer of 2025. And even though summer is almost over, that does not mean we stop coloring. It's a chance to start looking for new books to add to our collection to keep us occupied during the fall and the cozy winter months. I mean, we all need more coloring books, right? The first book is Spooky Cutie Volume 1. It's an adorable little book with cute little skeletons, sweet little pumpkins, and Halloween vibes that are more friendly than frightening. It's the kind of book that makes you smile while you color, which is exactly what you need during the fall season. And since the pages are single-sided, you can go wild with your markers and not worry about that bleed through on the backside, ruining another design. This book is all treat and no trick. It has 40 illustrations that are perfect for beginners or even those that have colored for a long time. It's a great book to sit down and just color for a short amount of time if you don't have a lot of time to color. Spooky Cutie Volume 1 was such a hit that there's Volume 2 now that came out earlier this year. It's a book with Halloween features, but without the nightmares. It's got skeletons, ghosts. They look like they'd rather share candy with you than haunt your house. And because the pages are single-sided, no need to worry about the marker bleed, and that's a huge win. It's a small, comfy square size too, 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches, that you can just toss in your bag and color anywhere you'd like. So it's basically Halloween, but a softer, sweeter side. It's perfect for those fall nights with a blanket and your favorite hot beverage. The next book that's been a bestseller is Cozy Girl Season. And if this book doesn't scream fall to you, then I'm not sure what else will. So imagine coloring girls in oversized sweaters, pumpkin spice, being surrounded by leaves that don't even need raking. The designs are bold and simple, and it's perfect for when you just want to relax without worrying about all the tiny details. And if you haven't noticed already, spooky seems to be a very popular theme in the books, even for this summer. Spooky Life is our next book. It has over 100 pages. This book is a little larger at 8.5 inches by 11 inches. These little skeletons are just doing everyday type stuff. They're grocery shopping, they're lounging around, and it's so funny and it's so cute. And it makes them so relatable, even if you've ever felt like a zombie on Monday mornings. Next is a book by my favorite coloring book artist, Johanna Basford. She has a book coming out in November that you can pre-order now. It's called Wonderful Wildflowers. It's like a peaceful walk through a meadow without all the allergies. The flowers are detailed, but they're not overwhelming, so you can take your time and really zone out when you're coloring in this book. The larger square format gives you plenty of space to play around with blending colors, and some of the designs could end up looking like you could put them in a picture frame. Johanna Basford has another coloring book out, and it is to celebrate the 10th anniversary of her book, Enchanted Forest. It has about 96 pages, they're single-sided, and it includes a fold-out poster. There are some updated designs and a few little extra illustrations to help celebrate this 10th anniversary. It's a book you can sort of just get lost in, and there's so many hidden details and secret paths everywhere. So if you want a book that feels like adventure every time you open it to color it, then this book is for you. And plus the poster, instant bragging rights when you're done, right? I have not tried one of these books, but the Monochrome Escapes is a pretty popular theme that seems to be coming out now. But don't let the title scare you off. It's not about black and white doom. The graphics are bold and are basically just begging for your color to the page. These pages are single-sided and there are around 100 of them, so you can experiment all day long without worrying about running out of pages. It's perfect if you just want to throw color around and not stress about making everything look perfect. It's really a freestyle coloring therapy. You can step into the cozy life with this Cozy Girl and Friends coloring book. It's got 40 illustrations. The designs are very simple. Single-sided pages for less bleed through. This next book is one of the first Coco Wyo coloring books that I purchased for myself when I first started coloring, and it is for stress relief. These designs are so basic and so simple, you don't have to think a lot when you're coloring them or worry about picking out special colors. It's got animals, landscapes, a lot of designs that just help you relax and de-stress. The large, bold, and easy to follow designs make it a delightful coloring experience, and with those single-sided pages, you don't have to worry about that marker bleed through. And getting back to that spooky theme, Coco Wyo has yet another bestseller called Little Spooky. It's got 40 hand-drawn pages and the same size of 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches, which makes this book easy to handle while you're coloring. It has single-sided pages, and the designs are super cute and are perfect for that stress relief and relaxation that you need. And one book that you might not think would be on this list of bestsellers is an anatomy coloring book. And I'm sure this is probably because a lot of people are in school going into careers for health-related fields. And I wish I'd had a book like this back in the day when I was in college. So it'd be perfect for if you're trying to learn all the anatomy and the full body systems. It's got pages that also give a little bit of description and will even quiz you. This 100 Flowers coloring book has been quite the popular coloring book. It's the #1 bestseller in flower arranging, and out of a 5-star system, it's got 4.2 stars. It has over 100 flowers in it, mainly bouquet style or vase style. Another big trend with coloring books now is coloring by number, and I have not tried one of these yet, but I'm looking to see if I can find that perfect book for me to start with. This book has 100 color by number mysteries. It has landscapes, animals, flowers. There's 3 different grid styles. The backgrounds are black, but there are bold grid lines that make it easy for you to color, and it is enjoyable. You let the numbers and the letters guide you as each hidden image is revealed. A newer trend in the adult coloring book world is ink tracing to color your own coloring book pages. This book has 36 exclusive designs, and each page has beautifully crafted fairy houses. Fairyland, which has 50 coloring pages, and the format is 8.5 by 11 inches single-sided pages. Cozy Japan has 40 unique images, 8.5 by 8.5 inches, single-sided pages, perfect for adults and teens. 100 Animals has single-sided pages, it's 8.5 by 11 inches. And if you're looking for more autumn charm to color this fall, this book has 31 pictures, it's 8.5 by 11 inches, 64 pages. If you're into the reverse coloring book trend, then this book has 50 original works of art printed on sturdy paper that's single-sided and perforated in case you'd like to rip the page out and maybe frame it. So there you have it, just a few of the top-selling coloring books this summer. And let me know in the comments below which coloring books you would like to add to your collection. And if you already have some of these, let me know which ones are your favorites. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video.